Ever wondered how to create YouTube videos with AI? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start by unraveling the mystery of AI, or artificial intelligence. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can help you create high-quality YouTube videos. That's AI for you. It's becoming a crucial tool for creating engaging and dynamic content. So, are you ready to dive into the world of AI and YouTube? Stay tuned. Before we dive in, it's crucial to comprehend the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field within computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks range from recognizing speech to making decisions. In content creation, AI can act as a game changer, automating time-consuming tasks and enhancing creativity. For instance, in video editing, AI can automatically identify and cut out filler words or awkward pauses. It can also adjust the lighting and sound to make your video look and sound professional. When it comes to scripting, AI can generate ideas, write drafts, and even edit scripts based on the audience's preferences and behavior. AI can also assist in marketing your videos, analyzing user data to identify the best times to post, the most effective keywords, and the optimal video length for maximum engagement. Now that we have the basics down, we can start understanding how to use AI in creating YouTube videos. Just like choosing the right camera for filming, picking the right AI tool is essential. In the vast landscape of AI tools available today, it's crucial to find one that fits your needs like a glove. And while there are many options to consider, we're going to zero in on one that's been making waves in the AI video creation space: InVideo. Why InVideo, you ask? Well, it's simple. InVideo is like the Swiss Army knife of AI video creation tools. It's packed with a myriad of features that cater to both beginners and pros. Let's explore a few of them. Firstly, InVideo has a vast library of pre-made templates. Whether you're creating a how-to video or a snazzy promo, there's a template that will set the perfect stage for your content. And the best part? You don't need to be a design wizard to make your video look professional. Secondly, InVideo has an intuitive interface. It's easy to navigate and you can quickly get the hang of it, even if you're a complete newbie. This means you can spend less time wrestling with a complicated tool and more time bringing your creative vision to life. Thirdly, InVideo has a smart text-to-video feature. You can simply input your script and voila! InVideo will generate a video complete with relevant clips and images. It's like having your very own AI video editor. But of course, a tool is only as good as its user. So how do you get started with InVideo? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Sign up, choose a template, or start from scratch and let your creativity flow. Play around with the features, experiment with different styles, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, every great video starts with a single frame. In the end, the right AI tool for you depends on your needs, your skill level, and your creative vision. But if you're looking for a tool that's versatile, user-friendly, and packed with features, InVideo is a strong contender. Once you've chosen your tool, it's time to start creating. Creating a script can be tough, but not with AI. Imagine trying to pen a script. It's a daunting task, right? The struggle to find the perfect words, the right tone, and the ideal pace. But what if I told you that AI could make it as easy as pie? Let's dive right into how we can use AI to create a script. First, you need to input your ideas. This is where you give the AI some direction. It could be a topic, a theme, or even a few keywords. For example, if you want to create a video about the future of AI in healthcare, you provide these keywords to the AI. This is like giving a compass to a traveler. It sets the direction. Next, the AI goes to work. It starts generating a script based on your inputs. Using vast databases and complex algorithms, it crafts a narrative that intertwines your ideas into a coherent and engaging story. It's like having a professional scriptwriter at your fingertips, working tirelessly to bring your vision to life. But what if the AI-generated script isn't perfect? Well, that's where the magic of AI really shines. The AI learns from your feedback. If you edit a line, it takes note. If you change a word, it remembers. Over time, the AI becomes more attuned to your style, your tone, and your voice. It's a symbiotic relationship where you and the AI collaborate to create the perfect script. And the best part? It's not just about the words. The AI can also help with pacing, tone, and even emotional resonance. It can suggest where to add pauses for dramatic effect, where to speed up for excitement, and where to slow down for emphasis. It's like having a director, a scriptwriter, and a linguist all rolled into one. With the script ready, we're halfway there. Let's move on to the next step. A video editing is where the magic happens, and with AI, it's faster and easier than ever. If you've ever spent hours cutting, trimming, and tweaking a video, you'll appreciate the power of AI in this realm. AI isn't just a tool for making videos, it's a partner that brings your vision to life with precision and efficiency. Imagine this, you've got a mountain of footage to sort through. It could take forever to review it all, right? But with AI, you can automate the process. The AI can analyze the footage, identify the best clips, and even arrange them in an order that tells a compelling story. It's like having your very own editing assistant. But the magic of AI doesn't stop at cutting and trimming. It extends to adding effects and transitions too. Want to add a bit of flair to your video? AI can help. It can analyze the content of your video and suggest effects that would enhance it. From color grading to applying filters, AI can do it all, saving you time and effort. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to learn and adapt. As you continue to work with it, it gets better at understanding your style and preferences. Over time, it can start making recommendations that align closely with your unique style, making the editing process even more streamlined. And let's not forget the convenience factor. With cloud-based AI tools, you can edit your videos anytime, anywhere. All you need is an internet connection. No more being tied down to your editing station. You can make tweaks to your video while sipping coffee at a cafe or lounging at the beach. AI is transforming video editing, making it faster, easier, and more accessible. It's taking the grunt work out of the process, freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects. It's like having a magic wand that turns your raw footage into a polished, engaging video. Now that your video is edited, it's time to promote it. Creating a video is just half the battle. Now comes promotion. In the world of YouTube, having a great video isn't enough to garner views and subscriptions. It's all about getting seen. And this is where artificial intelligence, or AI, can be a game changer. Firstly, AI can help optimize your video for search engines, a process known as SEO. By analyzing keywords, trends, and viewer behavior, AI can generate the most effective titles, descriptions, and tags for your videos. This increases their visibility in search results, making it easier for potential viewers to discover your content. But AI doesn't stop at SEO. It also plays a pivotal role in promoting your video across various social media platforms. AI tools can determine the best times to post, the most engaging captions, and even predict which content will perform best on different platforms. This allows for a more strategic and targeted approach to promotion, increasing your video's reach and viewer engagement. Beyond SEO and social media, AI can also enhance viewer engagement directly on your YouTube channel. By analyzing viewer comments and reactions, AI can provide insights into what your audience likes or dislikes about your videos. This allows you to tailor future content to viewer preferences, boosting engagement, and ultimately, your channel's growth. AI can even automate the process of responding to comments, using natural language processing to generate relevant and engaging responses. This not only saves you time, but also fosters a sense of community on your channel, encouraging viewers to return and engage more frequently. So, from SEO optimization to social media promotion to viewer engagement, AI is revolutionizing the way we promote YouTube videos. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with AI, you're equipped with the tools to do just that. With AI, creating and promoting YouTube videos is a breeze. So what are you waiting for? That's it, folks. You've just learned how to create YouTube videos with AI. We've gone through the basics, chosen the right AI tool, created a script, edited the video, and promoted it, all with the help of AI. Now it's your turn to give it a go. Don't be shy, jump right in. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect. So start creating, and don't forget to share your experiences. Until next time.